Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by checking storage usage so you know exactly what's consuming space. Open Settings and tap Storage, scan categories, and note the biggest culprits. Next, back up photos and videos to a cloud account or to your computer. Make sure transfer is complete before deleting. While backing up, generate a list of the top 10 largest files and apps. This list becomes your action plan. Once done, you'll move to targeted removals and offloads based on that list. Now you remove the obvious space hogs. Uninstall apps you no longer use, and where available, offload apps that keep user data but free app code. Move large media files to your computer, a cloud service, or an external SD card if your phone accepts one. Verify files open from the new location. Then clear app caches and temporary files in settings to reclaim immediate space. Make sure to restart the phone after major removals so indexes update correctly. Finish by rescanning storage to confirm how much space you freed and identify any remaining large items to handle. If your phone still lacks needed space and you've exhausted removals, a factory reset is the only complete way to reclaim all system and app residue. Reset only after you verify full backups and note account logins. Once reset, restore selectively from backups. If space still appears wrong, rebuild the media database or reconnect your backup source so the system.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.